Hello friends, welcome to today's 10-minute yoga flow for digestion. This is a nourishing, gentle, restorative seated class. We are going to be flowing through some gentle twists to help stimulate our metabolic processes and find a state of ease and comfort. We will commence class with some seated spinal twists, coming into a cross-legged position of your choice. Inhale, extend the arms overhead, joining the palms together. Exhale, rotate the torso to the left. You might like to tent up onto the left fingertips behind you, resting the outer edge of that right hand against the left thigh. With every inhale, feel yourself growing taller, finding length through the spinal column. And with every exhale, seeing if you can twist a little more, create a little more space. Being mindful to stay grounded through both sits bones. One more breath. Gently release from the posture. Inhale, extend the arms overhead. Exhale, this time we'll twist to the right, tenting up onto the right fingertips, maybe gazing behind that right shoulder. Using the outer edge of the left hand to press into the right thigh. Exhaling any tension. Letting go of any stress. Tuning in to how the body is feeling today. Recognizing that every day is different. Honoring your current positioning in this space-time reality. Tuning into the breath, letting go. And gently releasing, coming back to a neutral seated position. We'll turn to face the short edge of the mat, extending both legs out long as we transition into Dandasana, staff pose, rolling the shoulders back and down. You might like to place your palms on either side of the hips for support. Feet are flexed, core is engaged, finding length through the vertebral column. From here we are going to flex our right knee, clasp the underside of our thigh as we guide our right foot to the outer edge of that left leg. Hips are squared. Inhale, extend the arms overhead, join the palms together. Exhale, twist the torso to the right, using the left tricep to press into the right thigh. Maybe tenting up onto those right fingertips, gazing behind that right shoulder. Finding ease. And you might like to stay here or join us in a bind as we interlace our left hand underneath that right leg, clasping both hands together behind the back, facilitating a deeper twist. You might find a soft stretch across the front of the right shoulder, the chest. Settling in. One more breath, and we'll begin to unravel from the posture, framing the hands down on either side of the hips, extending that right leg. You might like to internally and externally rotate the hips once or twice. Find any movement that feels good. And we'll get set up to go on the other side, flexing the left knee, guiding the left foot to the outer edge of that right thigh. Inhale, extend the arms overhead. Exhale, twist to the left, placing the right tricep on the outer edge of that left thigh. Using the left fingertips for support, maybe gazing over that left shoulder. Breathe. If you tried it on the other side, you might like to join us with a bind, guiding the right arm between the left leg and the right leg, interlacing the fingers together, broadening across the heart space. Exhaling any stored emotions that might be stagnating in that region of the body. One more breath in this posture. And gently releasing, lowering the arms down by your side, re-extending that left leg. Again, finding any movements that are in accordance with your energy levels for today. We're going to come into another seated twist, flexing the right knee, guiding the right heel close towards the inner thigh. And we're going to wrap our right arm around the outer edge of that right leg, grabbing a hold of the right fingers with the left hand, finding a nice twist. And again, being mindful to keep both sits bones grounded. If you notice yourself swaying to one side, mindfully guide yourself to the midline, to the breath. Gently release. And we'll take this on the other side, flexing the left knee, drawing the heel close to the groin. Inhale, extend the arms overhead. Exhale, wrap the left arm around the left thigh. Maybe finding a bind, rotating the torso to the right, keeping that right leg extended, the kneecap and the toes are facing skywards. These are all wonderful postures to gently massage the inner organs, stimulate mobility, improve awareness. And gently release, re-extending that left leg. Rounding ourselves in Dandasana for a moment. And from here we'll come into Ardha Gomukhasana, half cow face pose. We'll start on the right side, so crossing our right leg over the left so that the knees are aligned. The left leg is engaged and extended, foot is flexed. You might like to start in an upright position. Or if you feel flexible and mobile, you might like to hinge from the hips, folding forward, allowing the belly and the chest to rest atop of that right thigh, perhaps lowering down onto the forearms, softening the muscles of the face. This is a great posture to practice if you are ever feeling stressed or anxious. Forward folds are really restorative for affording us a moment to connect to Mother Earth, connect to our inner well-being, and recognize that we are safe. One more breath in this posture, and with control, gently guiding yourself to an upright seated position. We'll extend our right leg. We'll get set up to go on the other side, flexing the left knee, crossing the left leg over the right. Being mindful to align the knees. Round down through both sits bones, right leg is extended. Inhale, extend the arms overhead. Exhale, lower the palms to heart center, either staying upright or finding a fold. This might be a confronting posture for anyone who holds a lot of stress in the calf muscles, behind the knees, in the belly of the hamstrings. So be compassionate with yourself. If you notice any trigger points coming up, mindfully acknowledge their presence and see if you can breathe through any resistance. Letting go. One more breath. And mindfully guide yourself to an upright position. We'll extend our left leg. On your next inhale, extend both arms overhead, joining the palms together at heart center and floating the arms down by your side. Transition onto a kneeling position, coming into diamond pose, Vajrasana, placing the palms in your lap, facing skywards. Roll the shoulders back. Close the eyes. Settle in. Checking in with the breath, the mind, the body. On your next inhale, we'll extend the arms skywards. Exhale, join the hands together at the third eye center, the Ajna chakra, between the brow space. affording yourself a moment of recognition for showing up today, choosing to nourish the mind, the body, and the soul. Thank you for today. Namaste.